And our grand champion is Lumad Basakanon, ang Barangay Basak San Nicolas.
The pride of Barangay Basak San Nicolas, Lumad Basakanon, has once again captured the hearts of many with a back-to-back victory in the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan 2025 held on Sunday, January 12, 2025. Their electrifying performance in the ritual showdown earned them the championship title, dethroning defending champion Banawan Cultural Group of Guadalupe. They also dominated the street dancing category and were recognized as best in costume. Despite the intense competition, Lumad Basakanon's hard work, creativity, and faith shone through, captivating the audience and judges alike.
Without him. So happy to kay Mitanan, wala may mag-expect. Nagabaya lingkon niya usaray gidaog, walay FI, walay SB. So wala may ga-expect na kami ang kuan nga champion. So nang happy to kay me.
The group brought a new concept this year called Pagpanagat or fishing, highlighting the livelihood of fishermen in their barangay. Their performance beautifully blended stories of struggle, faith, and the resilience of the community. Unlike previous years that focused on farming, this year's performance celebrated the lives of fishermen, showing the challenges they face and their unwavering devotion to Senior Santo Niño.
Number one sa namong ikuan is unsa na sad nga concept ang among ipakita nga lahi kay mua naman sila nga lumad pero lang kabalik-balik nya some of the groups nga nag-look up pud namo ba so manang grabe ka challenging unsa nga panindot pa ang among concept, ang sayaw, ang storyline nga mapambit gyapon sa taga Cebuano nga nindot siya nga unsa ang lumad nga mapakita gyud mo maintain na mo unsa among sayaw.
Salamat, Senyor!
This year's Sinulog also featured innovative themes from other contingents, including Star Wars, the life of OFWs, shoemaking, traditional Filipino storytelling, and even modern-day issues like gadget addiction. Hugpong Masidlakon of Tisa took second place in the ritual showdown, followed by Banay Labangon, Banawan Cultural Group, Bagong Tribo Kasambagan, and Abellana National School. The day started with a vibrant street dancing parade with contingents marching through the streets of Cebu City. For the first time in Sinulog history, the street dancing began at St. Joseph the Worker Parish in Mabolo, paying tribute to the late Lola Titang Diola, the pioneer of the original Sinulog beat. Leading the parade were various marching bands competing in the brass band competition. Among the 6 entries, the 560th Air Base Marching Band of the Philippine Air Force stood out with an impressive performance that captivated the crowd. An estimated 10,000 to 12,000 people gathered to witness one of the biggest events in this year's Sinulog Festival. The celebration was capped off by the annual grand fireworks display, lighting up the sky for both local and international visitors. This is Angelica Faisaniel for Sinulog 2025 sa MyTV Cebu.